Millets are a good way to include whole grains in your diet. As we all know, to revive the cultivation of this crop, which can address global food insecurity, UN has declared the year 2023 as the year of millets. Millets can grow in harsh growing conditions and can easily adapt to different environments without high levels of fertilizer and pesticide. They don't need nearly as much water as other grains. Millets are gluten free grains that are rich in antioxidants, soluble fiber, and protein. In particular, they may lower your cholesterol and blood sugar levels. They have the potential to lower the risk of various illnesses, including cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, and cancer. Anti-nutrients in millets can be reduced by soaking, cooking, germination, and fermentation. Millets are very versatile and can be used in different ways daily. Traditionally, millets have been used in India for making foods like idli, roti, dosha, porridge, etc. At home, I use more of foxtail and kodo millets as I find them to help control sugar levels better for my husband who is a type 2 diabetic. They both have a low glycemic index. So I strongly encourage you to include various millets also as part of your staple diet.